open that shit. Oh my gosh. Oh, dude. I don't know if it's cooked fully. Oh, there's two pieces here. That's the problem. Put that guy back in there. She's, you know, not running as she should.
Not enough full operation.
So basically I made a little hole at the bottom so that you could have some like constant airflow, but that wasn't really enough. You kind of need like some sort of like manual suction or automatic suction to keep the flow going. But we just used the torch and fired it up really hot just to keep everything going and smoking so that we could test it out. But it was really more just to look and have fun with, but not really to cook stuff, obviously, because it's so small. But yeah, it's a mini Traeger. All right, not horrible. That piece looks kind of good right there. Super smoky. It's super smoky. Oh, definitely cooking.